Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post new videos. And I'm sorry guys, I haven't been posting for a while. I was not at home, so I couldn't really post. But on today's video, I will be making a custom Venda traditional dress. So guys, I took a big leap of faith when I accepted this order because I haven't done anything like this before, and this dress has to be worn to a wedding, so you can imagine the pressure. So I bought 3 fabrics. I bought 2.5 meters of the Duchess satin, 3 meters of the Venda traditional fabric, and 3 meters of the lining fabric. I will start by cutting the top piece of the dress using the Venda traditional fabric, and the dress is a one-shoulder dress, so I will not be folding the fabric when I'm cutting, and I have 3 pieces for the front and 2 pieces for the back, so 5 pieces total for the top part of the dress. So this is the back. I had forgotten that it has a zipper at center back, so I went ahead and cut the pattern into 2 pieces and then cut the fabric with seam allowances included. Now for the bottom part of the dress, I will fold the fabric on the bias because the dress is fitted and the fabric does not stretch, and I am tracing on my front and back patterns on the wrong side of the fabric, then add seam allowances where needed, then cut the pieces out. made sure to transfer all my dot markings before removing the pattern pieces from the fabric. So here are all the pieces for the top part of the dress. I have 2 for the back and 3 for the front, and I eliminated the dots on the front pieces. I also went ahead and cut the lining as well for all these pieces. I'm sure you can see that from behind the pieces. And I also don't like the lines going sideways, but I'll have to work with it. I should have thought about it before cutting because now I don't have enough fabric to cut other pieces. I decided to stitch the dress without all its design to see if the pattern fits, and this is me attaching the zipper on the back part of the dress. And after this, the client came and fitted the dress, and it fit her perfectly. So this is the dress that I'm working on. I already cut out all the pieces. This is the front. I am currently pinning this bias strips, which is this strip that I cut out from this Venda fabric. So I already pinned the top part for me so far. I pinned this one side, so hi guys, so I just wanted to show you where I'm at with the dress. I didn't record the last 2 days because I was not working from home. Since there was no electricity at home, I did all of this at my aunt's place. So yeah, I just wanted to show you where I'm at. I went ahead and top stitched this window trim on both sides and at the bottom, and the top, this is what the top looks like. Yeah, I just pressed everything. I have to finish the sleeve here and also finish the zip. I only pinned, as you can see. So the back, let me show you the back. I inserted an invisible zipper so you don't see it, and I'm really proud of myself. I think this is my first time inserting an invisible zipper, and I did a really great job because I'm pretty sure you don't see this. You don't see it. All you see is a seam, but this is the invisible zipper. Let me open it up for you. Okay, so this is how it looks unzipped, opened. Yeah, opened. Yeah, this is the tab for the zip. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is to hand stitch this lining onto the zip because I don't want the stitch to be visible. I could do a top stitch here on the, like here, I can do a top stitch all around here, but I decided to do a invisible hand stitch from the inside so that the stitch doesn't show. Yeah, I'm going to do that now. Okay, so let me show you the bottom part of the dress because this dress has a high-low, I don't know, flare here at the bottom. Let me show you that. Here is the high-low flare thing. So I I cut it in a circle. Yeah, it's a circle, and I stitched this trim also here on the, I don't know if this is a satin, I think so, satin fabric. So yeah, I'm not yet done stitching the trim, top stitching the trim. Here I was removing this one because it was not straight, so I probably have to remove the whole thing, or just see if it will be straight without removing the whole thing. But if it doesn't become straight, I'll have to remove the whole thing. I ended up removing the whole trim and pin it again, and it did the same thing. Then I removed it again, then stitched it on again, and it was good, so I left it like that. Over here I'm attaching the lining to the high-low peplum to finish it off nicely. Then I will attach it to the bottom part of the dress and I will be done. So for the beads, I start by knotting a double thread, then insert it on the outer part of the dress only, then insert a bead through the needle, then do 2 stitches to secure the bead in place, and I am done. So this is the dress all done. I honestly outdid myself on this one, and guys, you should have seen her reaction when she saw the dress for the first time. Unfortunately, I couldn't record her, but she absolutely loved it and she couldn't stop laughing out of excitement, and the dress fit her perfectly. And I am also glad that I took this order because it made me realize what I'm capable of. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video like I enjoyed making this dress, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I post. And I appreciate you guys, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye.